Hello and welcome to week 1 of Writing 121. This is Beth again, your instructor, and this is the week we get to know each other. We get to figure out what on earth this course is all about, and we get to see who's in the class. 3 deadlines this week: Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Those 3 deadlines we'll keep for the entire term. It's easier for me to remember. I hope so for you too. What we've got here is what we'll see this format in every single week, where I welcome you, have an overview, and resources. Office hour this week, Thursday from 12 till 2. Optional, of course. This is an online class. I don't know what you're doing on Thursday from 12 to 2, but I'm telling you what I'm going to be doing is sitting around waiting for you if you need me. If this doesn't work for you, let me know. We can find another time to Zoom, to talk, to email. Try to make myself available to you, pretty much. Tutoring resources too, and then our assignments. Our Wednesday, Friday assignments will be Course Introductions Forum. I want you to tell a little something about yourself. You might find out somebody else you've taken a course with before, or somebody else is in your program. You might know them. Then a writing assignment number 1, due Sunday night, personal narrative. What do I need to know about you? What about your writing background? Gives me a chance to see how you write. I'll grade it, but it's not worth that much. I wouldn't worry about it. No stress for sure. And then the other thing I want you to do this week is subscribe to the New York Times. No text for this course, but I want you to read some articles in the Times. It's free through the library. I've given you the website, how to get to it. Don't pay any money for it. Get to it, look around, see what you like. And if you need anything, have any questions, let me know. I'm here to answer them.